Hi, my name is Paula and I work at the Region of Waterloo. And in this session, I'm going to show you how to book your vaccination appointment using our online scheduling system. You will need the Google Chrome browser, preferably on a laptop or a computer. It will also work on a smartphone or a tablet. Let's get started. Before you begin, you will need your first name and last name, your date of birth and gender. You will need to know which priority population you belong to. You will need an email or a cell phone number in order to receive confirmation of your appointment. Once you have all of these items together, you are ready to begin. We start by clicking on the link in the email or text that we have received. Alternatively, you can open up a Google Chrome browser and type in vaxregistration.regionofwaterloo.ca. Chrome is the preferred browser and can be used on a smartphone or tablet as well. Once the page opens, you must log in using your email or phone number that you used to register. Your access code is case sensitive, which means upper and lowercase letters do apply. Be sure to enter your access code exactly as you have received it in your email or text message, and click Login. When the page opens, note the bottom of the page contains the support information, telephone number, and regional website in case you should have questions. Top of the page in yellow indicates that adults 80 plus must choose the other priority population. Clinics that are open to book appointments will be listed in this section here and updated on a regular basis. Be sure to review the important information and click in the box to acknowledge that you have read and understood the terms. Then you can click on the blue Start My Booking button. Choose your vaccine site by clicking on the down arrow and selecting your appropriate site. You must indicate which priority group you belong to. You can scroll down by dragging this button down. And for this example, I will choose Other Priority Population, which is what we are using for adults 80 and plus. Once you choose your priority group, you can scroll down and click the blue button that says Choose Date. When the calendar opens, all dates that appear in black are open. However, they may already be full. Choose your date. Click the I'm not a robot button. In some cases, you may be asked to verify a CAPTCHA code. You will be required to choose all the images that meet the criteria on screen. You must click the Verify button in order to proceed. Then you can click the blue Choose Time button. You can select from the available times by clicking the drop-down arrow and scrolling this button down to choose your applicable time. Once you have found a suitable time, you can click on it and click Confirm Booking. When the form opens, you have 8 minutes to complete the required information. A timer will keep track in the top left corner. Holding the time slot for 8 minutes allows you to complete your information and avoids anyone else from choosing that same time slot. There are 5 required fields as indicated with a red asterisk on the form. Start with your first name. Your last name. Your date of birth. The easiest way to complete your date of birth information is to use the drop-down arrows beside the month and choose your month of birth. Choose your year of birth, and then you can choose the applicable date. Choose a gender from the drop-down menu. The health card and address and telephone information are all optional on this particular form and do not need to be completed. Please indicate in the first checkbox whether you have an accessibility requirement. The second checkbox must be checked to confirm that you are eligible to receive the vaccination and that all the information you've provided us with is correct. The third checkbox indicates whether you'd like to receive confirmation by email. The fourth checkbox indicates whether you'd like to receive confirmation by text. We recommend that you choose both of these if you have both available to you. Be sure to complete your email information accurately. It's important that you input the information properly in order to receive your confirmation notice. This also applies to your cell phone. Double check that you have input your cell phone number accurately. When you have, you can click the blue Confirm Selection box. If you need to book another appointment, you can simply click the Book Another Appointment blue button that appears on screen. Otherwise, you can simply close out the confirmation box by clicking the X. Scroll up to review your booking complete notification. Please note the important notifications of what you should and should not bring to your appointment.